Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for this December 21st, 2025. I hope everybody had a great Sunday out there so far, but it's a great Sunday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. That's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the storm system moving across the country. So let's go ahead and dive on into that first. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And like I said, we're going to take a dive on into your forecast here and take a look at the satellite imagery across the lower 48. Alrighty, you can see here we have a little system here moving across North Carolina, South Carolina, toward Virginia. This is a cold front moving through, continue to push away from the area. Activity from Missouri to portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, areas of Colorado. Then you can see the atmospheric moisture moving into the Pacific Northwest and also around the California region, stretching through Nevada, Utah, also Wyoming, also over toward the Dakotas, also Montana, a portion of Washington, Oregon State, and Idaho regions as well. Nevada, you included, stretching over toward Minnesota areas also. But you can see pretty quiet conditions across South California through Texas, all the way over toward Florida region, over toward South Carolina, also here a portion of the Ohio River Valley as well, and also the Gulf, much of Mexico, Caribbean, and the Bahamas look good also. Alright, let's continue moving on. Let's take a look at your local forecast. Then we're going to take a look at your Monday outlook here in just a few minutes, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, you can see we got a colorful map here across the board. You can see we got a lot of mixed precipitation stretching from New Brunswick, a portion of Maine to New Hampshire, down toward D.C., Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Ottawa, and Toronto, Canada areas as well. More activity from north to south, North Dakota through Montana, also in the portion of Wyoming, down toward Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, portions of California, Oregon, and Washington states. Got freezing rain possible, reporting New York State, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, then again across North Dakota, portions of Montana. We got snow flying up here in portions of North Dakota, over toward Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, northern Michigan, and western Lake Superior. Also, we got some snow flying up here in areas of Washington, Oregon State. Some heavy snow there as well. Shower activity along coastal areas stretching from Washington, Oregon State, stretching down in northwestern California. Then we got thunderstorms and shower with heavy rain possible across northern California, southern California, and central California, with thunderstorms and showers there in the coastal waters. Alright, we got shower activity for southern California down in Arizona. And then we got some shower activity across Texas to Louisiana to Mississippi up toward Ohio, also portions of Kentucky, Indiana, Kentucky and Tennessee, portions of Illinois and Missouri, central and east Florida, and the coastal waters regions. Also got thunderstorms and showers over South Texas, then stretching down into the Gulf. Also got thunderstorms and showers over California region as well. And that pretty much wraps up your Monday forecast. Let's move on to your Tuesday outlook. And it should roll out something like this here. Okay, we're still waiting on it to roll out. It should be now. Here we go. We got mixed precipitation over here in Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, portion of southeast Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, and Nevada, portion of the California mountains, straight into northern California. Heavy snow in that area as well, and more heavy rain and flash flooding over portions of California down in southern California. Thunderstorms and showers there as well. Shower activity along the coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, and the coastal waters. More shower activity across southern California down to Arizona. A little bit in southwestern New Mexico. More shower activity from Tennessee to Pennsylvania to Ohio to Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky. You're included. Mixed precipitation up here around Lake Huron over toward northern Michigan. Northern Pennsylvania, New York State. Also snow flying up here in portions of northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, western portion of Maine, Ottawa, and Toronto, Canada, and over here toward Lake Superior regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map of your locations across the nation, and it should roll out something like this here. Alrighty, you can see we got some special weather statements up here in areas of Maine, Wisconsin, and also areas of Minnesota, and also portions of Colorado. We have high wind warnings and watches over southeastern areas of Wyoming. Have a little bit of winter weather advisory portion of New York State. Dense fog advisory down here southern Mississippi, southeast Louisiana, southern Louisiana, and along the Gulf Coast from the Mississippi coast to the southeast coastal areas of Texas. Then we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings from Montana to Wyoming to Idaho, portion of Washington, Oregon State, and also a little bit in California. We have a lot of flood watches and flood warnings for California as well. Flood advisories also. Blow and dust advisories over of Nevada. Wind advisories there as well. High wind warnings in the mountains of California, and high wind watches also in effect for southern Oregon State as well. A little bit of special weather statements also for northwestern areas of Washington State. Small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the Florida Key, a little bit around the Big Bend, stretching over to the Panhandle of Florida, northern California to Washington State, Hawaiian Chain Islands, Southern Islands. Small craft advisory around the Alaska region as well, with some freezing spray warnings in the blue. We have some winter weather advisory inland and winter storm warnings, and a little bit of blizzard warnings right along coastal areas of Alaska. And also have some extreme cold weather warnings for southeastern areas of Alaska region as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook should roll out something like this here. Alright, we just got a little bit of general thunderstorms over here in western Washington and Oregon states. That looks quiet at this time. Alright, day number 3 should roll out something like this here. Okay, still waiting on it, but it should roll out. Here we go. And general thunderstorm from Redding to Sacramento, San Francisco, Fresno, and Santa Barbara, California regions as well. Rest of the area looks quiet at this time. Alright, let's take a look at the winter weather forecast from day 4 through 8. See if your locations are in a winter storm or winter weather criteria location. Alright, here's day 4. You can see a little bit up here in the portion of Newfoundland, over here southwestern Canada, stretching in through Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, and California. You can see a high chance of a probability there. Same thing again on area date 5, pretty much from Colorado to California to Washington State, but you can see the over here as well, and then from northern Minnesota through southeast Canada. Then again for day number 3, from northern Michigan all the way to Pennsylvania to Maine, New Brunswick, also Newfoundland. Then out west from Colorado to California up to the Washington, Oregon State area. Day number 7. I thought it was 8, but here's 7. It's across mainly areas of northern Michigan to Maine to New Brunswick to Newfoundland. Then areas of Colorado, Utah, California, and up to Washington State as well. Southwestern Canada, you're included in that outlook as well. Alright, let's take a look at the heavy snow real quick, and then we'll end the video here. See if we can get to that map here. Alright, here we go. Somehow I went past, but here's a look at day. You can normal temps across much of the U.S., a little bit of near normal in Texas. In California area. Well, since my computer's messed up, can't show you that. Sorry, but I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful. Going back to the Columbia forecast office. That's my forecast office here near Columbia, South Carolina, that I use. But anyway, hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.